It's time for Sagan's Book of the Day.
Next on Sagan and Loki. Let's take a peek.
Ooh.
Kids,
you can do it! Hey, Sagan, what is this, your book of the day? What is it?
The Mischievians. Look, DA is...
It's upside down. Somebody's taking it. The Mischievians. Who is it by?
It's by William Joyce.
Okay.
And a question mark there.
Yeah, somebody's taking a question mark?
What is Joyce?
So, yeah, this is by the guy who wrote The Guardians.
Yeah.
You started reading those too. What is... Rise of the Guardians was the movie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you about one Mischievian.
Well, maybe you should explain what Mischievians are first.
Well, Mischievians are things like when...
They're little creatures.
Yeah, they're little creatures that like do mischief on you.
Oh.
Like they're...
Like steal your socks?
Stinker, the Endroller, the Yawn Mower.
The style of this reminds me of the Brian Froud, the guy who designed all the goblins.
And there's one I want you to do. Not that one. Ew, that's gross. No.
Okay, show your favorite, I guess.
Okay, I guess so. This one.
Okay.
Keyless Ion. I'm sure that's supposed to be question.
Oh.
A Mischievian stole the tea.
There's a Mischievian stealing the letters. Okay.
Question. Alright, sometimes I get this thing on part of my back that I can't ever reach. I twist, I turn, I spread, but it's always just out of reach.
Oh, I hate that.
And it drives me crazy. Do Mischievians do that? Answer, yes indeedly. This bit of mischief is performed by an extremely tiny creature called the Itchy. Don't worry, if it drives you insane. It's supposed to. That's how an Itchy knows he's doing his job.
Yuck, it's making me feel itchy right now.
You must have an Itchy on you. I'll get it.
Oh, thank you. Just thinking about it. Okay, it's gone. Thank you.
Question. When does an Itchy usually strike? Answer. He loves to strike at the worst possible time. When you're in front of class doing a report, anytime you have to wear nice clothes and sit still, nice clothes are naturally hot and itchy and fit too tight, so it's even hard to reach the Itchy. Worst of all, they stage full skill multiple itch attacks when you're trying to go to sleep.
Oh, yeah.
Remember, they're amazingly well equipped to evade any attempt to scratch them. They are small, swift, and always able to escape just out of reach. So relax. Go insane. Betsy Wilson kid's job is done and go away. Maybe.
Wait, maybe show the picture.
Yeah, so the picture.
Oh, yeah, that looks itchy.
It's really itchy.
Yeah.
It's look at that.
That's how itchy it looks.
Oh, sorry, Loki. I don't get so like that.
So, was it better, the same, or worse than you expected?
It's good. Oh, that is big enough to see. Then that one doesn't exist because you never see it. I don't know. What?
Okay,
I don't know what.
Did you want to finish it?
And there's also
Jeez, I guess we're
the
still going.
earworm.
Okay.
The earworm, the Google, the blah 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 blah. Yawn Mower. Oh, here it is. The sock stalker.
Oh.
Question. Everybody in the house has, I don't know, at least 6 pairs of socks that are missing. 1 sock? Where does that sock go? Answer. Ooh, a supremely good question. Since the invention of socks, which occurred on the lost continent of Atlantis, humans have been plagued by the sock stalkers. These small, hairy creatures insist on seeing one and only one of a pair of socks. The reason for this are threefold. First, sock stars love socks more than anything. Second, sock stars can only count to 1.
Oh.
One third, and most importantly, when you see more than one of a sock, it serves them so deeply that all their hair will immediately fall out. They hate to be seen naked. They frantically gather up their fallen hair and wrap themselves. Oh, somebody stole the 8!
Oh, okay.
Mischieving themselves in single socks until no part of their bare skin can be seen. Question. Are they really shy? Answer. No, this is self-conscious. They are the only creatures alive who have 11 belly buttons.
11?
Question. But you can only count to 1? Answer. That is right. Having 11 belly buttons really freaks them out.
I bet it does.
Because they can only count to 1.
Right. They have to count to 1 11 times.
Do you want to see the Yawn Mower?
Okay. Why don't you show them the Yawn Mower?
The Yawn Mower. That's the Yawn Mower. The Yawn. It looks so gross.
Oh, excuse me. John, do you want to do star ratings?
Yeah.
Okay. Better than same, worse than you expected.
Big.
Better? Did you want to finish it once you started reading it?
Yeah.
Is it your kind of book, or would someone else like it better?
Well, I want some one more Mischievian.
You can do it after star ratings. Let's finish that part. Is it your kind of book, or would someone else like it better? You got caught by the Yawn Mower.
Yeah.
Is it your kind of book?
They get the Yawn Mower.
I don't know. Is it your kind of book? Is it your kind of book? Is it your kind of book?
Yes!
Okay. Do you want to look for other books by this author? Oh,
yes.
We already have a whole pile of them. Okay, so you found it inspiring?
Yeah.
We've seen Mischievian work everywhere for a couple of days after reading this first time. Okay, what's another Mischievian one to show?
5 minutes each.
Wait, hold on.
Thank you, Loki. I think he's supposed to be itchy.
Okay. What's the other? You were going to show another Mischievian?
Yeah.
Okay, what is it?
The Endroller.
Okay. And what is it?
Question. Sometimes when I'm really not able to laugh, like when it's something really serious, I start to laugh and I cannot stop. Why? Answer. Out. That's a tough one. And one of the most embarrassing. The giggler has an amazingly developed sense of when you should not laugh. Then sends you to uncontrollable giggles until everyone thinks you are rude, stupid, intensive, or insane.
Mm-hmm.
Weddings, tests, dinners with grown-ups in nice restaurants. These are the playgrounds of the gigglers. They have large and extremely ticklish feet, which they rub together till they generate a powerful amount of funergy.
Funergy. I like that word.
The giggler then aims its giggle ray at an unsuspecting target, usually you. Suddenly you will feel an uncontrollable need to laugh, and then even slightly humorous. A hiccup, someone snorting, a burp, or sometimes absolutely nothing at all will then unleash an attack of the giggles that will last until the frenzy is released and you are in trouble. Wow, I hate that one. You would definitely absolutely hate that one.
I know, that's really embarrassing. You can't control your laughter though, it just happens.
Yeah.
Okay.
See?
Yeah.
Oh, and there are other things like the Yawn Mower. There are the Yawn Mowers. There are the Burgets, the Atsudoodly-doos, the Coffee Makers, the Snorman Knights, in the most infamous and humiliating of all, Mischievians, the Poodles.
Oh, is that the one that makes you toot?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Question, do poodles make you, like, answer, yes.
Yeah, okay.
Question, what do they look like? Answer, trust me, you don't want to know.
Yeah, I don't want to know.
Tell yourself to read! Kids,
you
can do it!
Hi guys, it's Loki. Thanks for all your likes and comments and shares. Did you know we make safe, family-friendly playlists on a variety of subjects from other trusted channels too? No pranks, no gross-outs, and no bad behavior. Check one of them out here, or follow us on Twitter to get regular updates. See you again soon!